ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। Hari Om. A very warm welcome to this wonderful day which the entire universe, nay, all the three worlds were waiting for during this wonderful Ramayana Prasanga. Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji is going to get wedded to Bhagavati Sita Ji. In this Sita Rama Vivaha Prasanga, which is going to happen today, which is also the final day of this series, I have great pleasure in inviting all of you. At the same time, I invoke the blessings of the Guru Parampara and the Rama Parivara. Parivara, not just the four, all of them. And on this occasion, we will start this event with a few bhajans, and then we will go into the Sita Rama Vivaha Prasanga, and after that we will have Dhupa Deepa Naivedya Arati to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji, and thus will conclude today's event. With that note, we will now start with a few bhajans. We will start with Vinayaka Bhajan, one Guru Bhajan, and then we have our wonderful devotees who are here who will also be singing, and then we will take up Sita Rama Kalyana Prasanga. He Gananatha Gajanana,
He Gananatha Gajanana,
He Gananatha Gajanana,
He Gananatha Gajanana,
He Ramba Gajanana,
He Ramba
हेरम्बा गजानना
हेरम्बा गजानना
हे गणनाथ गजानना
गणनाथ गजानना
गौरी नंदन गजानना
नंदन गजानना
गौरी नंदन गजानना
नंदन गजानना
गजानना गजानना
गजानना गजानना
सिद्धिविनायक गजानना
सिद्धिविनायक गजानना
हे गणनाथ गजानना
हे गणनाथ गजानना
मूषकवाहन गजानना
मूषकवाहन गजानना
गजानना गजानना
गजानना गजानना
मोदकहस्ता गजानना
मोदकहस्ता गजानना
मोदकहस्ता गजानना
मोदकहस्ता गजानना
हे गणनाथ गजानना
हे गणनाथ गजानना
हे गणनाथ गजानना
हे गणनाथ गजानना
Before the next bhajan begins, a small information: the camera will not move, but it will pick up the beautiful bhajan what they sing. So enjoy the bhajan with the vision of Bhagavan.
गुरु महिमा गुरु महिमा
गुरु महिमा गुरु महिमा
गुरु महिमा गुरु महिमा
गुरु महिमा गुरु महिमा
अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा
अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा
अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा
अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा
वचनीयं गुरु महिमा
किं वचनीयं गुरु महिमा
किमवचनीयं गुरु महिमा
किमवचनीयं गुरु महिमा
गुरु महिमा
गुरु
गुरु महिमा
महिमा गुरु महिमा
अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा
अनोरणीयान् गुरु महिमा महतो महीयान् गुरु महिमा गुरु महिमा गुरु महिमा
अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा
सच्चिदानंद गुरु महिमा सच्चिदानंद गुरु महिमा भावय हे मन गुरु महिमा गुरु महिमा गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा आत्मा रामानंद रमण
आत्मा रामानंद रमण
आत्मा रामानंद रमण
रामानंद रमण
अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण
अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण
अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण
अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण
भवभय हरणा वन्दित चरण
भवभय हरणा वन्दित चरण
भवभय हरणा वन्दित चरण
भवभय हरणा वन्दित चरण
रघुकुल भूषण राजीव लोचन
रघुकुल भूषण राजीव लोचन
रघुकुल भूषण राजीव लोचन
रघुकुल भूषण राजीव लोचन
आदि नारायण अनंत शयना
आदि नारायण अनंत शयना
आदि नारायण अनंत शयना
आदि नारायण अनंत शयना
सच्चिदानंद सत्यनारायण
सच्चिदानंद सत्यनारायण
सच्चिदानंद सत्यनारायण
सच्चिदानंद सत्यनारायण
आत्मा रामानंद रमण
आत्मा रामानंद रमण
आनंद रमण
आनंद रमण
आनंद रमण
आनंद रमण
राम नाम
राम नाम ओम्मे
राम नाम
राम नाम ओम्मे
मन राम नाम
भुवि मन राम नाम ओम्मे
मिडियलि हृदयद वीणे
मिडियलि हृदयद वीणे ओम्मे
मिडियलि हृदयद वीणे
मिडियलि हृदयद वीणे ओम्मे ಮೇ
ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ
ನುಡಿ ಮನ ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ ಮೇ
ಎನು ಮನವೇ ಎನು ಮನವೇ
ಎನು ಮನವೇ ಎನು ಮನವೇ
ಬಾಯಿ ತೆರೆದು ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ಬಾಯಿ ತೆರೆದು ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ಆಡಿದ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೋಡಿದ ಪಾಪವ
ಆಡಿದ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೋಡಿದ ಪಾಪವ
ಹಾಯಲು ಬಿಡು ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ಹೊರಹಾಯಲು ಬಿಡು ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ ನುಡಿ ಮನ ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ
ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ ನುಡಿ ಮನ ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ
ಎನು ಮನವೇ ಎನು ಮನವೇ
ಎನು ಮನವೇ ಎನು ಮನವೇ
ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ಎನು ಮನವೇ ಎನು ಮನವೇ ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ಎನು ಮನವೇ ಎನು ಮನವೇ ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ಬರಲೊಲ್ಲದು ಹಾದು ಹೋದ ಪಾಪವು
ಬರಲೊಲ್ಲದು ಹಾದು ಹೋದ ಪಾಪವು
ರಾಮ ಎನು ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ರಾಮ ರಾಮ ಎನು ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ ನುಡಿ ಮನ ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ
ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ ನುಡಿ ಮನ ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ
ಮಿಡಿಯಲಿ ಹೃದಯದ
ಮಿಡಿಯಲಿ ಹೃದಯದ ವೀಣೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ
ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ
ಗಿರಿಜಗೆ ಶಂಕರ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದಂತಹ
ಗಿರಿಜಗೆ ಶಂಕರ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದಂತಹ
ತಾರಕ ಮಂತ್ರವನೊಮ್ಮೆ
ತಾರಕ ಮಂತ್ರವನೊಮ್ಮೆ
ಗಿರಿಜಗೆ ಶಂಕರ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದಂತಹ
ಗಿರಿಜಗೆ
ಶಂಕರ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದಂತಹ
ತಾರಕ ಮಂತ್ರವನೊಮ್ಮೆ
ತಾರಕ ಮಂತ್ರವನೊಮ್ಮೆ
ನೆನೆದು ನೆನೆದು ನೀ ಧನ್ಯನಾಗು ಮನ
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 ರಾಮಯನು ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ
ರಾಮ ರಾಮಯನು ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ
ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ ನುಡಿ ಮನ ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ
ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ ನುಡಿ ಮನ ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ
ಮಿಡಿಯಲಿ ಹೃದಯದ ವೀಣೆಯೊಮ್ಮೆ
ಮಿಡಿಯಲಿ ಹೃದಯದ ವೀಣೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ರಾಮನಾಮವಂ
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 ನುಡಿ दशरथनन्दन राम
कौसल्या सुखवर्धन राम
श्रीमद् दशरथनन्दन राम जानकी जीवन श्री रघुराम जानकी जीवन श्री रघुराम मारुति सेवित तारक नाम
जानकी जीवन श्री रघुराम
जानकी जीवन श्री रघुराम
मारुति सेवित तारक नाम
मारुति सेवित तारक नाम
राम राम जय राम
राम राम जय राम
रघुराम राम जय राम
रघुराम राम जय राम
राम राम जय राम
राम राम जय राम
राम राम जय राम
राम राम जय राम
जय जय राम सीताराम
जय जय राम सीताराम
जय जय राम सीताराम
जय जय राम सीताराम जय जय राम सीताराम जय जय राम सीताराम सीताराम जय जय राम सीताराम जय जय राम सीताराम जय जय राम सीताराम जय जय राम सीताराम
सियावर रामचंद्र की
जय
We will start with the prasanga and then, if time permits, if Bhagavan wills, I will also sing. Mata Sita ji, a personification of beauty, a personification of love towards Bhagavan, and who shines among the various women who were there for this wonderful program, is an absolute bliss. And we saw in the 322nd Doha, Sohati Banita Bunda Mahu Sahaja Suhavani Siya, natural beauty. Sita ji was with natural beauty. And in the midst of so many beautiful people, in fact, we saw yesterday, what did we see? All the Devatas, trees, consorts of Indra, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, all of the consorts also disguise themselves as the women in the Nagara, in the Janakapuri, and one with them, so that others won't come to understand, others won't come to, identify. And they were also so beautiful. We saw it, isn't it? In spite of the fact that the Devata Stris also disguised themselves as women and mixed themselves among the hundreds and hundreds of women who were there, yet nobody could match the natural beauty of Mata Sita ji. Having said that, we will continue. We are now reading 323rd Chaupai. If you have a book, please see. सिय सुंदरता बरनी न जाई, लघुमति बहुत मनोहरताई। आवत दीखी बराती न सीता, रूप राशि सब भांति पुनीता। सब ही मन किए प्रणामा, देखी राम भय पूरन कामा। हर्षे दशरथ सुतन समेता, कहीं न जाई उर आनंदु जेता। सुर प्रणाम करि बरी सही फूला, मुनि असीस धुनि मंगल मूला। गान निशान कोलाहलु भारी, प्रेम प्रमोद मगन नर नारी। एहि विधि सीय मंडप ही आई, प्रमुदित शांति पढ़हि मुनिराई। तेहि अवसर कर विधि व्यवहारु, दो कुलस गुर सब कीन्ही अचारु। आचारु करि गुर गौरी गणपति, मुदित बेप्र पूजावहि। सुर प्रगति पूजा लेहि, देहि आशीष अति सुख पावहि। मधुपर्क मंगल द्रव्य जो जेहि, समय मुनि मन महु चहै। भरे कनक कोपर कलश सो, तब लिए ही परिचारक रहै। कुल रीति प्रीति समेत रवि कही, देत सबु सादर कियो। एहि भांति देव पूजाई, सीतहि सुभग सिंहासनु दियो। सिय राम अवलोकनि परस्पर, प्रेम काहु न लखि परे। मन बुद्धि बार बानी अगोचर, प्रगट कवि कैसे करे। होम समय तनु धरि अनलु, अति सुख आहुति लेहि। विप्र वेश धरि वेद सब, कहि विवाह विधि देहि। Siya Sundarata, the most elegant beauty of Sita ji, it baffles all forms of description. Siya Sundarata barani na jai. It cannot be put into words. It cannot be described. That is the beauty. Now here, one small thought we have to understand. Tulsidas ji, we have seen earlier also, and we will see all through Ramayana, at every period of time, he praises the beauty of Sita ji. When this happens, we have to clearly understand, it is not the physical form of Sita ji that he is talking. Yes, it is also included. But it is not that alone. I have earlier also used this phrase, And even now I will take up with your permission a phrase from my mother tongue. It says, Agattin alagu mugattil theriyum. What is the beauty in my inner heart? It can be seen in our face. Therefore, Sitaji, the beauty of Sitaji is just, it is of course, but just not the physical form. She has lived such a beautiful life, wherein she beautifully expresses that virtues in her through her beautiful, smiling, pleasant face. And it is that inner beauty included with which Tulsidas ji very beautifully says, see, when it comes to Sita ji, even the beauty also, the so-called beauty what you and I may understand, falls extremely short of description with reference to Sita ji's beauty. Laghumati Bahuta. He says, Tulsidas he says, remember, you and I, we show off that we know language, we can speak well, we are oracious speaker. Like that, so many people, claim themselves to be very beautiful. Beautiful in the sense what? Very good and very good speaker, etc., etc. Tulsidas ji says, Laghumati, my intelligence is very small. Think. People who have got smaller intelligence claim they are very intelligent. But what to talk of Tulsidas ji? And he claims Laghumati. Bahuta Manoharatai. But the charm of Sita ji, surpasses all kinds of beauty, including the so-called conceptual beauty. Avatadiki. When all the members who were there, especially the bridegroom's party, Ramchandraji's party who have come from Ayodhya, when all of them saw Sita ji coming, their mind became still. Their mind became absolutely quiet. That was the beauty of Sita ji. Sabahi mana kiye pranama. With that quiet mind, all of them offered their salutations at the feet of Sita ji. Dekhe Rama bhaye puran kama. Ramchandra ji, he also saw Sita ji. But I am sure all of us can understand how we see Sita ji, how we see Ramchandra ji is so limited, with so limited understanding. But what Ramchandra ji saw Sita ji, Purana Kama, his heart was fulfilled. His desire to see Sita ji again and again as though was completely fulfilled, and his heart was also very quiet, calm, delighted. Harashe Dasharatha. Dasharatha also was very happy. Sutana Sameta, with all his 4 sons, Dasharatha also was happy. Maybe the other 3 sons, Bharata, Lakshmana and Shatrughna, they must have also seen Sita ji. Bhabhi bahut achhi hai. Probably, isn't it? Not with the wrong understanding, but that was a joy of the brothers to see Sita ji. When we say Bhabhi, Bhabhi is considered to be Mata only. in the true sense of the word. But in the normal days, it has been taken in a very wrong sense. But here are such beautiful examples which indicates to a common man like you and me what is the respect one has to give to a beautiful position of sister-in-law. She is considered to be like a mother. कहीं न जायूर आनंद जेता. You can't express Ananda. How can we ever express Ananda? Ananda is a subjective, private, personal experience. Think. And what we express is an objectified, in a third man's language. Therefore, Anandu, that Ananda was very beautiful. Sura pranamukari barisahi phula. All the devatas who were there, remember, they are all in disguised form. Devatas, all of them are there, starting from Brahmaji, Shivaji and Narayana. Oh, Indra Devata, what to talk of him? All of them, they are there in disguised form. Everybody were delighted. Muni asisa dhuni mangala mula. Then all the sages, because the whole entire audience were absolutely quiet, absolute still. Thousands of people, not a pin drop silence, we may say, not a single sound. Then slowly all the Munijana, the sages, they started slowly giving Ashirvada through Veda mantras, which is the source of all blessings, of course. Gana nisana kolahalu bhari. Then slowly everything started. That silence was so, everybody were enraptured, we may say. But slowly when somebody starts, in our programs also, when everybody is silent, nobody wants to say anything. Even if they have to sneeze, they will close their mouth, nose, everything, and then they sneeze. Why? Sound should not come out. But once one person starts speaking, the other person starts smiling, gone. We get distracted. But here, they also did something not out of distraction, but again to add beauty to that wonderful situation. Gana nisana kolahalu bhari. All the women folk, they started singing. And what did they sing? Absolutely in tune with the situation, with the festival. All of them started singing. And then what to say? All the musical instruments started, kettle drums started, and everybody started praising, singing, etc. Prema, pramoda, magana, naranari. All the men and women, everybody were drowned as though in love towards Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji and Lakshman ji. Ehi bidhi siya mandapahi aayi. In this fashion, with all of them singing, musical instruments, Veda mantra happening, and everybody waiting to see a mandapahi aayi. Sita ji slowly walked in to the mandapa. Pramudita santa padhahi munirayi. And the great sages who were there, plenty of sages were there. What we had mentioned earlier are only very few, but very many, hundreds maybe even thousands, we don't know. All these sages were. Ramchandra ji's wedding. Who will not want to be? So all of them were there, and everybody started reciting all the Shanti mantra, Shanno Mitra Sham Varunaha. They also started, and out of lot of delight, joy. Tehi avasara karabhidi vyavaharu. It is at that particular time, while the religious ceremonies are taking place meticulously, perfectly. We also organize so many things with so much of flaws, and then it happens. No. Meticulously planned. Duhu Kulagura, Saba Keenhi Achara. Kulagura. Kulagura means what? Both of them. Shatanand ji at Janakpuri and Vashishta ji, who have come from Ayodhya. Together, they also performed religious rites, ceremonies, Veda mantra, etc. And then Tulsidasi writes, Acharu karigura gaura ganapati mudita vipra pujavahi. And then under their care, under their guidance, as always we do, Ganapati Puja, Gauri Puja, etc. was conducted. Sura Pragati Puja, all the gods. See, when we do puja or when homa takes place, when we do oblations to at the homa, we invoke so many gods. Agnaye idannamama, Agnaye swaha, Varunaya idannamama, Varunaya swaha, Brihaspataye idannamama, Brihaspataye swaha. When the oblations are offered, the understanding, see, from our standpoint we can only understand. What is the understanding? When I say Agnaye idannamama, Agnaye swaha, Agni Devata would come and receive the oblations, accept the oblations and bless the person who is the Karta. All of them are there only. In disguised form, all of them are there only. So all of them, when the offerings were given, joyfully, delightfully, they did not get up and come and then say, okay, I will receive. No, why? They are in a disguised form. And what did they do? They quietly accepted. And the best part, Ramchandraji knew, because he has seen all of them, he had smiled. Sura Pragati Puja Lehi Dini Asisa Ati Sukha Pavahi. And they also gave their blessings for the great function to take place. Madhuparka Mangala Dravya Jojehi Samaya Muni Mana Mahuchehi. All that Madhuparka, in honey and so many ingredients they add, and then Madhuparka is given, and it is also distributed with everybody. And sages, all the Rishi Munis, Gurus, they mentally, quietly, probably with closed eyes but an open heart, prayed to Ramchandraji and sought his blessings. How beautiful. Bhare kanaka ko par kalasa sota baliyehi paricharaka rahe. All the attendants also, people who work, stand there everywhere in between to check up what they want, what you want, and then immediately sign somebody else to get something. Somebody may want water, somebody may want whatever, to give them. So all those people also, they were all ready with gold trays containing all those dravyas for the puja. Kulariti priti sameta rabi kahi deta sabu sadhara kiyo. Bhagavan Surya Devata, he also very lovingly, very beautifully pointed out the family customs. There are two things. One is the Vaidika Shastra Riti. The other one is Kula Riti. One aspect is the Vedic Shastra, the other aspect is the family tradition, the customs in that particular family. It varies from family to family, isn't it? He pointed out what all to be done, and it was also carried out. Ehi bhati deva puja hi sita hi subaga singhasan diyo. Having done all that, then Sita ji was conducted. Conducted meaning what? Was taken to her particular simhasana. Siya Rama avalokani paraspara prema kahuna lakhi parai. Paraspara prema, very beautiful word. Requires lot of thinking, requires lot of pondering. Param Pujya Gurudev would always say, what? Before marriage, there is lot of paraspara. But after marriage, the desire started. And then it is very difficult for them to accept for anything. But here we see Ramchandraji absolutely in tune with Sita ji, and Sita ji absolutely in tune with Ramchandraji. And that tuning brings such a great amount of delight in both of their hearts. And this, very interestingly, others could not perceive. If at all others might have brought a thought, their thought is insignificant when compared to the delight what Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji and Sita ji experienced. Mana buddhi bara bani agochara pragata kapi kaise kare. This which is beyond the reach of the best focused mind, and an intellect which is absolutely sharp. What can speech say? How can I ever describe, express it? Tulsidasi says, it is beyond BMI. Param Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayanand ji used to have a huge board, body, mind, intellect, etc. he would have. None of the gadgets can ever understand that quiet paraspara prema. So beautiful. Homa samayatanu dhari analu ati sukha ahuti lehi. When the oblations were offered to the sacred fire, the fire god Agni Devata would come and accept the offerings out of great delight. This is also very important. Acceptance of the offering with delight is automatically Ashirvadam fulfilled. The delight in the hearts of the Devatas itself means Ashirvadam to the Karta. Agni Devata. Viprabeshadhari Veda Sabha. All the Vedas came in the form of Brahmanas. How wonderful! Brahmanas chant Vedas, but Vedas themselves came as Brahmanas and chanted Veda mantra. How wonderful! Kahi bibaha vididehi, and they directed. Remember, Vedas in the form of Brahmanas came and directed the procedures of Vivaha Sampradaya. Continuing. Janaka Patha Mahishi Jagajani Siya Matu Kimi Jai Bakhani Suja Susukrita Sukha Sundaratai Sab Samiti Bidhi Rachi Banai Samavujani Muni Barana Bulai Sunat Suvasini Sadaralai Janaka Bamadi Sisoha Sunayana Himagiri Sangabani Janumayana कनक कलस मणि कोपर रूरे सुचि सुगंध मंगल जल पूरे निज कर मुदित राय अरुरानी धरे राम के आगे आनी पढ़हि वेद मुनि मंगल बानी गगन सुमन झरि अवसरु जानी बरु बिलो की दंपति अनुरागे पाय पुनीत पखारन लागे. We will see this now. जनक पाट महिषी जग जानी. Devi Sunayana, the wife of Janaka Maharaj. She is world renowned Maharani. Siya Matu Kimi Jai Bakhani. And Sitaji's mother. What can words describe even Devi Sunayana? Sujasu Sukrita Sukha Sundaratayi. We have seen how beautiful is Sita ji, but Sunayana, Sita ji's mother, even she is no less. Tulsidas says, Siya Matu Kimi Jai Bakhani. Even she cannot be, her beauty cannot be described. Sujasu Sukrita Sukha Sundaratayi. She was very bright, glorious, virtuous, ever joyful, and extremely beautiful. Sab sameti bidhi rachi banayi. You know, bidhi means creator Brahma, Chaturmukha Brahma. Look at that beautiful way. He says he exhausted all his capacities in fashioning Sunayana and of course Sita ji. Meaning what? He has used all his competencies in beautifully, bringing or creating these two wonderful women. Samaya Jani Muni Baran Bolai, perceiving that the time is going on. See, this is very important part. In normal course we find when we are totally involved into a particular activity, naturally we tend to forget other aspects. Then there is always a requirement for somebody to, give a small hint. Sir, hello? Isn't it? What does that mean? We normally see like that for what? To check whether watch. Not to check whether watch is functioning. To watch the watch, to watch our time. Isn't it? So, all this great, what do you call it as, sages, they probably hinted that the appropriate time is soon coming. So, we need to get ready. Sunata Suvasani Sadaralyai. And in response to that hint, all these Sumangalis brought Sita ji with due honor. Sadara Janaka Bama Disi Soha Sunayana. To the left of Janaka, the great Queen Sunayana, mother of the mother. What a blessed being she must be. She is the mother of mother herself. Himagiri Sangabani Janumayana. Himavan's Dharma Patni. She is called as Menaka. And she is also called Mainavati. And in Himavati, like that, they have got so many names. Himagiri Sangabani Janumayana. Kanaka Kalasamani Kopara Rure. She again started bringing trays with full of kalasha and lot of jewels. And how? With so much of love and delight. And it had lot of suchi, sugandha, mangala, jalapure. The kalashas was filled with water, but at the same time, it was beautifully, you and I may not understand, but then even then, all these scented, probably those days, not the way these days perfumes are. Our perfumes are all, I should not be talking about it. But still, it only creates lot of smell. In some cases, stink, with due respects. But those were naturally prepared by natural ingredients. So, suchi, sugandha, not durgandha, sugandha, and very mangalakara, jalapure, with water. Nijakara mudita raya arurani, dhare rama ke aage ani. And the royal couple, who are the royal couple here at this time? Janaka Maharaj and Sunayana. They came in front of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji and they washed his holy feet. It is so difficult to talk about such things. For me in particular, the Brahmaji, sometimes I also scold him. He has created me with unnecessary too much of emotions. So sometimes I skip a certain thing because I get very emotional. Padahi Veda Muni Mangalapani, all the sages started, Veda mantras, Gagana Sumanadari, Avasarujani, the appropriate, proper time, all the devatas from, they were all there, but they've got lot of, Shakti, and they've got lot of powers, and with that, they again rained down lot of flowers from the heaven. Barubilo Kidam Pati Anurage, the king and queen joyfully Paya Punita Pakharana Lage, and placed the gold kalashas in the front. Now there is a beautiful chandas. Chanda, not chandas. Chandas means meter. Chanda means one particular form. We have just now read one more earlier. Lage pakharana paya pankaja prema tana pulakavali nabanagara gana nisana jaya dhuni umagi janu chahudisi chali je pada saroja manoja ariura sarasa daiva birajahi जे सुकृत सुमिरत विमलता मन सकल कलिमल बाजहि जे परसि मुनि बनिता लही गति रही जो पात कमाई मकरंदो जिन को शंभु सिर सुचिता अवधि सुर बरनई करि मधुप मन मुनि जोगी जन जे सेई अभिमत गति लहै ते पद पखारत भाग्य भाजनु जनकु जय जय सब कहै पर कुंवरी करतल जोरी साखो चारु दोवु कुल गुर करे भयो पानी गहनु बिलो की विधि सुर मनुज मुनि आनंद भरे सुख मूल दुलहु देखि दंपति हुलक तन हुलस्योहियो करिलोक वेद विधानु कन्या दानु नृप भूषण कियो हिमवंत जिमि गिरिजा महेश ही हरि श्री सागर दई तिमि जनक राम ही सिय समरपि विश्व कल कैरति मही क्यों करे बिनय बिदेहु कियो बिदेहु मूरति साबरी करी होम विधिवत गाठी जोरी हो न लागी भावरी जय धुनि बंदी वेद धुनि मंगल गान निसान सुनि हर्षहि बरषहि विबुध सुरतरु सुमन सुजान सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Today is Rama Sita Vivaha. Therefore, I may take a little more time, but please excuse me for that. You revel in Rama Sita Vivaha. Kala Kridati. We need not bother about that. Lage Pakharana Paya Pankaja Prematana Pulakavali. All of them, started loving Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji's holy feet. And when they were, looking at Bhagavan, when they were seeing the delight all around, they could see the beautiful Divya Pada of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji, and they forgot the entire world. They forgot themselves also. What to talk of world then? Nabha Nagara Gana Bisana Jaya Dhuni Umagi Janu Chahu Disi Chali. As always, kettle drums were being played. People started singing and everybody started chanting, slogans. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, victory to the heavens, victory to Shivaji. Everybody started chanting whatever they felt like, in fact. Jepada Saroja Manoja Arivura Sara Sadaiva Birajahi. The lotus feet of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji was sparkling. It was so beautiful. It was so bright. It was shining. And it is said the lake of Shivaji's bosom. Manasa we say. Manasa means what? Lake. Manasa rover we know. The Manasa of Shivaji, which is a lake of love towards Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji, the very thought of it, our minds also can get purified. But we don't have, faith. We may have some belief here and there by mistake, or that also. But to have faith is something wherein our inner self becomes so pure, so delighted, so wonderful when we pray at the feet of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji. Je parasi mani banita lahi gati rahi jo patakamai. All the sages, they now thought the sage Gautama Muni, we discussed this earlier yesterday also, was supposed to be full of sin, but she also attained salvation by the touch of the feet of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji. So, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji's very touch may not be, now it is not that he has to come in front of us physically and touch with his foot. But if we come to deserve such an Ashirvada, Bhagavan will come May not be in the physical form, but definitely he is there to bring Ashirvada to all of us. Makaranda jinako sambusira suchita avadhisura baranai. Whose, what do you call it as? Nectar, amrita. The form, when it comes to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, his form is amrita. It is the very nectar. And here Tulsidas says, the nectar in the river Ganga, who is flowing from Shambhu's head, is itself the holiest of holy waters, and that will also bring lot of Ashirvadam to all of us, declares all the gods. Kari Madhupamana Muni Jogi Jana, all the yogis, all of them with their very, very beautiful mind. What is that mind? Mind that has been developed. With what? It was developed with the joy of thinking of Bhagavan. And their goal is also Bhagavan. A destination is also Bhagavan. All of them, te padapakharata bhagya bhajanu. Those of them who thus delightfully surrender at the feet of Bhagavan, they will also get a similar wonderful place. How? Like the luckiest Janaka. Janaka Maharaj, he is so blessed to have Sita ji as his daughter. Isn't it? So is Sunayana. And if our love towards Bhagavan is so pure, who knows, in some other kalpa, we may also be blessed either to be. Every kalpa it happens. I hope you all know, you remember the initial talks. Every kalpa history repeats. And when you see lot of changes, maybe from Tulsi Ramayana to Valmiki Ramayana to Kamba Ramayana to Adhyatma Ramayana, if you see some changes, the explanation is this happened in one kalpa, the other thing happened in other kalpa, which is true. Alright, now with that in mind, luckiest Janaka Maharaj washed Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji's feet when everybody were shouting Jai Jaikar, Bara Kuvari Karatala Jori Sukho Sakho Charu Do Kula Gura Karai. All the Gurus, I am, it is so difficult for me to speak. You will only see mistakes when I speak, but I don't know how difficult it is to speak of such wonderful experiences. Theek hai. Now the Kula Guru brings both the families together, and then they also, there is a particular sampradaya where both the families' glories are talked about just before the marriage. This is one among the sampradaya. In the I have a plan. I don't know when I am going to do Shodasha Samskaras. Shodasha Samskaras, one of the samskara is Vivaha Samskara. And in that Vivaha Samskaras, there is a beautiful description of this particular sampradaya where both bride and bridegroom's family's glory is being described, so that the people, the assemblage will understand how beautiful is this family, how glorious is this family, and the son and daughter who have been brought together from this glorious, virtuous families are now coming together to form another beautiful family, we may say. Bhayo pani gahanu bilo ki vidhi sura majanu mani anand bhare. And perceiving, seeing, visualizing this beautiful bridegroom, Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji is bride's hand Brahma and other divinities, as well as all the sages and saints, all of them were delighted. Why? Now that actual Vivaha is going to take place. Sukha Mula. What is Sukha Mula? The very Mula of all Sukha is Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji. Is a fountain of joy in everybody's heart. And everybody now were filled with lot of emotions. Kari loka beda vidhanu kanya danu nripa bhushana kiyo. Having gone through all the sampradayas, rites and everything, Vedas and family tradition, you always have to keep these two in mind. One, Vaidika sampradaya, another one is family sampradaya, customs and traditions. The glorious King Janaka gave his daughter to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji, and her hand was placed in the hands of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji. Siyavara Ramachandra ki jai. We will take a small 1 minute bhajan, dhoon, to celebrate this wonderful moment. Please, whoever are watching, please sing along with me. Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Ram Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Siya Ram Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Bolo Ram, 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 Sita Ram.
Ram 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 Sita Ram.
Bolo Ram, 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 Sita Ram.
Bolo Ram 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 Sita Ram.
Bolo Ram, 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 Raja Ram.
Bolo Ram 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 Raja Ram.
Bolo Ram, 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 Raja Ram.
Bolo Ram 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 Raja Ram.
Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Siya Ram Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Bolo Ram, 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 Raja Ram.
Bolo Ram 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 Raja Ram.
Bolo Ram, 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 Sita Ram.
Ram 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 Sita Ram.
Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Siya Ram Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Siya Ram Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Jai Siya Ram. Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai. The wedding in this form took place, but the wedding actually is not complete. How is it getting completed? Now, Janaka gave Sita Ji to Ramchandra Ji, and thereby he also earned a lot of fame, name and fame, etc. Ramchandra Ji was given to Sita Ji. Dasharatha Ji's name and fame also raised, and the entire families, glory spread far and wide all over the world, and not only this world, in all the lokas. Now, considering the time factor, I will quickly go through. We have read the Chaupaya, the Chanda. I will just quickly tell you all the oblations, etc. were done. Once the particular ceremony is over, then all the other family traditions, all the homa, havana, etc. were all conducted, and the couple Ramchandra Ji and Lakshmana and Sita Ji, both of them came as a pradakshina to that Homa Kunda, what we say. And they also performed Arati. We are also going to perform Arati. But before that, I will quickly tell you, Jaya Dhuni Bandi Beda Dhuni, the Bandi Jana, they also sang praises, Mangalagana Nisana, all the Vedic chants, Mangalagana, very, very sacred songs were all sang. Sunihara Shahibara Shahib Bibudha. Listening to that, again Devatas again showered, rained flowers, etc. Surata Husumana Sujana, and they rained flowers from the trees of the paradise in heaven. How beautiful. Now in the next 325th Chaupai, Chanda and Doha, I will read, and then I will just brief you what it is, because I will not go through line by line now. Okay, that is good enough too. Kuvaru kuvari kalabhavari dehi nayana labhu sabasadara lehi जाइन भरनी मनोहर जोरी जो उपमा कछु कहूँ सुथोरी राम सीय सुंदर प्रतिछाही जगमगात मनिस्खंबन माही मनहु मदन रति धरि बहु रूपा देखत राम बियाहु अनूपा दरस लाल सा सकुच न थोरी प्रगटत दूरत बहोरी बहोरी भये मगन सब देख निहारे जनक समान अपान बिसारे प्रमुदित मुनिन भावरी फेरी नेग सहित सब रीति न पेरी रामसीय सिरसेन्दुर देही शोभा कही न जाति विधि केही अरुण पराग जलजु भरिनी के ससिन भूष अहिलोभ अमी के बहुरी वशिष्ठ दीन अनुशासन बरुदुलहिनी बैठे एक आसन. In this particular Chaupai, again all the sampradaya is being talked about, then everybody praising, everybody offering their namaskara, etc. is being talked about. And then Bahuri Vasishta Dini Anushasana. Vasishta ji, he gave the direction. What is the direction? Baru Dulahini Baithe Eka Asana. Now that the marriage has taken place, they can sit together. Therefore, Vasishta ji gave that particular instruction. बैठे बरासन राम जानकी मुदित मन दशरथु भये तनु पुलक पुनि पुनि देखी अपने सुकृत सुरतरु फल नये भरि भुवन रहात उछाहु राम विबाहु बास बही कहा केहि भांति बरनि सिरात रसना एक यहु मंगल महा तब जनक पाई वशिष्ठ आय सुब्याह साज संवारिक मांडवी सुत कीरति उर्मिला कुंवरी लई हंकारिके कुसकेतु कन्या प्रथम जो गुणशील सुख शोभामहि सब रीति प्रीति समेत करिसो ब्याहि नृप भरत ही दई जानकी लघु भगिनी सकल सुंदरी शिरोमणि जानिके सोतनय दोनी ब्याही लखनहि सकल विधि सनमानिके जेहि नाम श्रुत कीरति सुलोचनी सुमुखी सब गुण आगरी सोदयी रिपुसूदनहि भूपति रूपशील उजागरी अनुरूप बर दुलहिनी परस्पर लखि सकुच हिय हर्षहि सब मुदित सुंदरता सराहि सुमन सुरगन बरषहि सुंदरी सुंदर बरन सह सब एक मंडप राजहि जनु जीव उरचारिवु अवस्था विभुज सहित बिराजहि मुदित अवधपति सकल सुत बधुन समेत निहारी जनु पाये महिपाल मणि क्रियन सहित फलचारी सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। कुंवरी कुंवरी कुंवरु कुंवरी कलभावरी देखी both the bride and the bridegroom performed pradakshina with very charming, very very attractive pace. That speed with which they were doing the pradakshina was very beautiful. Nayana labhu sab sadara lahi, and all who were present, they really feasted their eyes with that beautiful drishya of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji and Sita ji doing the pradakshina. Jayina barani manohara jori. Again and again Tulsidas ji writes, it is so difficult to express the lovely couple. Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji and Sita ji. Jo upama kachu kahon so thori. I cannot find an upama. What is that upama? I cannot find a person to say it was like this. They might probably start, oh, Ramchandra and Sita ji's wedding was similar to, they could not find. They left it at that. Jagamagatamani Khambanamahi. Both of them reflected like the pillar of jewels. So very beautiful. Manahu Madana Ratik Dhari Bahurupa. Both of them shone like the Madana Kamadeva and his consort Rati. They were looking like that. Something probably he had to say. So he said, in fact, Madana Kumara and Rati, Manmatha and Rati, are nowhere in comparison to Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra and Sita ji. Dekhata Rama biyahu anupa. No? Such matchless wedding. Incomparable wedding. Darasala lalasa sakuchana thori. Their curiosity, their shyness. Whom? Others. And what to talk of Sita ji and Ramchandra ji. All of them were so beautiful. Why should others be shy? They were also shy because they were also feeling the joy. And in that joy, they were also enjoying. Probably they must have made some faces or something like that, and then they were also feeling shy from the crowd standpoint. But when it comes to Ramchandra ji and Lakshmana and Sita ji, oh, what to talk of them. Pragatata durata bahori bahori. They revealed themselves as though. And all those Manmatha and Rati, they disappeared because they were nowhere in comparison to Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji and Sita ji. Bhaye magana sab dekhi nihare, janaka saman apan bisare. All those who were spectators there, they delighted the entire, wedding. And Janaka forgot the whole world. He forgot all the invitees. He forgot everything. His heart was so fulfilled. Rama siya sira sindura dehi. Then with instructions from the gurus, Ramchandra ji applied sindhura in Sita ji's face, and that actually made the entire wedding of Ramchandra ji and Sita ji complete. But the wedding process is not complete. It is coming now. Aruna paraga chalaju bhari nike. It seems as though the lotus also felt ashamed when it came to the beauty of the beautiful couple. And then Vasishtha ji, he called and gave an instruction. What is the instruction? Baru dulahini baithe ek asana. Both of them again, they were brought and made to sit in one asana. And then in the next chanda, which we have read, the main fact there is all the three brothers of Ramchandra ji were brought, and Janaka Maharaj's brother's daughter, she was also called, and of course Sita ji's sisters were there. And on receiving Vasishtha ji's order, Mandavi, Shrutakirti and Urmila were brought in front, and then each one of them, of course, in one of the commentators, they say they were also introduced in a very beautifully to the crowd, and Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna were also introduced, and the eldest daughter of the younger brother Kushaketu, who was an embodiment of goodness. Kushaketu Kanya Prathama Jo Guna Sila Sukha Subhamahi. And she was given in marriage to Bharata, Mandavi. Then Shrutakirti, Sabariti Priti Sameta Kariso Byahi Nrupa Bharata Hidayi. And then Janaki Laghu Bhagini Sakala Sundari Siromani Janaki. Janaki's younger sister Urmila, she was given in marriage to Lakshmana. And we also know Ripusudana. Who is Ripusudana? Shatrughna. Shatrughna got married to Shrutakirti. Shatrughna got married to Shrutakirti. So all the four were married. Bharata, Mandavi, Lakshmana, Urmila, and Shatrughna, Shrutakirti. They were also married, and in one time all the four brothers and the four sisters got married. With this, Sita Rama Vivaha Prasanga concludes, and again all the formalities and everything. Sundari Sundara Bharana Sahasava Eka Mandapa Rajahi. All of them were put in one mandapa, and then everybody enjoyed that beautiful drishya. With that, Mudita Avadhapati Sakala Sutha, the king Ayodhya was so delighted to see all his sons married. Janupaye Mahi Pala Mani. It was like he got all the four Purusharthas of life. Dharmartha, Kama, Moksha, all of them he got. And then Kriyana, Sahita, Phalachari, even the beautiful actions performed for 4 phala. What is that? Yajna, Shraddha, Yoga and Jnana. All of them also were achieved. With this particular prasanga concludes. We will now have the Arati to Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, Mata Sita ji, and of course Lakshman ji, Hanuman ji. We will imagine Bharata and Shatrughna are also there, quietly standing on either side. We will imagine, and with that thought we will perform Arati. Arati song will be sung. Please enjoy the Arati song while the Arati is performed, and after that we will again meet on the 1st of October for the next series, and all the further whatever is there we will see in our next series. Having said that, now I will sing one bhajan while I am walking and arranging my arati, etc. You all also sing after me, and after that we will have the arati, and the arati song will be sung together. You know, I am so full in my emotions. Therefore, honestly speaking, the joy which I am experiencing, yes. Ram Ram Jaya Rama, Ram Ram Jaya Rama, Raghu Ram Ram Jaya Rama,
Raghu Ram Ram Jaya Rama,
Ram Ram Jaya Rama,
Ram Ram Jaya Rama,
Raghu Ram Ram Jaya Rama,
Raghu Ram Ram Jaya Rama,
Kausalya Sukhavardhan Rama,
कौसल्या सुखवर्धन राम
Kausalya Sukhavardhan Rama,
कौसल्या सुखवर्धन राम
Srimad Dasharatha Nandana Rama,
श्रीमद्दशरथ नन्दन राम
Srimad Dasharatha Nandana Rama,
श्रीमद्दशरथ नन्दन राम
Janaki Jeevan Shri Raghu Rama,
जानकी जीवन श्री रघुराम
Janaki Jeevan Shri Raghu Rama,
जानकी जीवन श्री रघुराम
Maruti Sevita Tarak Nama,
मारुति सेवित तारक राम
Ram Ram Jaya Rama,
राम राम जय राम
Raghu Ram Ram Jaya Rama,
रघुराम राम जय राम
Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram,
Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram,
Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram, Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram,
Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram,
Jai Jai जय राम सीताराम
जय 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 जय राम सीताराम
सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पावन सुत हनुमान की उमापति महादेव की बोलो भाई सब संतन की श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे प्राणनाथ रघुनाथ मुरारे प्राणनाथ रघुनाथ मुरारे जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे जय जय आरती राम तुम शुक नारद मुनि सादर गावे शुक नारद मुनि सादर गावे भरत शत्रुघ्न चमर डुलावे भरत शत्रुघ्न चमर डुलावे जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे जय जय आरती राम तुम पीतवसन वैजयंती माला पीतवसन वैजयंती माला मेघबरन तनु नयन विशाला मेघबरन तनु नयन विशाला जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे छत्र धरत है लक्ष्मण भ्राता छत्र धरत है लक्ष्मण भ्राता आरती करती है कौसल्य माता आरती करती है माता जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे सम्मुख शरण है हनुमंत बीरा सम्मुख शरण है हनुमंत बीरा बार बार गुण गावे कबीरा बार बार गुण गावे कबीरा जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे जय जय आरती राम तुम्हारे
पवन स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र सीता कल्याण वैभोग में रामा कल्याण वैभोग में वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे पामरासुर भीमा परिपूर्ण काम श्याम जगदभिरामा साकेत धामा सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे सर्वलोकाधार समरैकवीर गर्वमानस दूर कनकागधीर सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे निगमागम विहार निरुपम शरीर नगद राग विधार नतलोकधार सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे परमेशनुत गीत भव जलधि पोत धरणि कुल संजात त्यागराजनुत सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे
With this wonderful occasion of Sita Ramchandraji's Vivaha Prasanga, we will conclude the series and we will again meet on the 1st of October. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you very much. सियावर रामचंद्र की
जय।